Hello. It is very natural to see that in the hospital there are different kinds of various kind of equipments that they used to maintain. So we are having a different model for equipment maintenance. So you can maintain different equipments, especially basically for the different services, different AMCs, different type of maintenance plans which we are having for that equipment. So you can maintain those type of details. This is the equipment master. So from here you are seeing the equipment master details for the heart monitor. So this is, you can see over here the different details of general details of this particular equipment, including its vendors details, then the manufacturer details, and the warranty details for this monitor. Similarly, at the same time, in the upper part of this form, you will see that it is a validity range for this equipment. In the parts information, you can see the sub parts or different parts of this equipment. In the location, you can specify that at which location at which location in the hospital this particular equipment is placed in the or situated in the hospital. This is the activities tab. In the activities section, you can specify what type of activities gonna be happen on this particular equipment, or which activity had happened. If you click on this particular activity button, so system will show you that what type of activity happened on this particular uh, this equipment. This is the document types. You are seeing that this is the document when you have purchased this equipment, when you have built this document. So if you click on this, system will populate that particular documents. If you go into the structure section, here you can specify give the details of the structure for this particular equipment. If you move into the AMC form, here you can have the details of the AMC details or the annual maintenance cost details for this heart monitor equipment. Here you can specify see the different AMC documents which you have already paid for this equipment. This is the invoice, or this is the bill which is automatically attached. Similarly, at the same time, you can see the different accounts in which this billing details got affected. So it is, these all modules are already integrated with one another. This is the accounting section through which it is integrated with this bill. So at the same time, it is reflecting the bills also. So this, you have already paid this AMC, so you can attach different type of reports or documents with this AMCs, or you have paid for this equipment. Here in the upper part, you can see the different date and the different details of that particular equipment. There is another form called calibration transaction. From here you can monitor the calibration rate for this particular equipment. So according to different calibration tests happened on this equipment, you can have the you can maintain the status of that particular equipment. Like we have maintained this as a pass, it has passed the equipment calibration test. So it was on now you can specify on which date the test was happened, and which on which date this another calibration test is due. So this is basically the calibration transaction form. And there is another form called maintenance plan. So in this maintenance plan, you can specify, or you can maintain different types of tasks, like whatever maintenance plans you are having for this equipment, like services or different scheduled services. You can maintain those type of maintenance plans, activities also. So you can capture those details as well. If we'll go into the task list, see here in this task list, you can maintain like which type of maintenance plans you are having. So this task list will get into integrated into this maintenance plan, so that if you are as you can see that this is the task number 3, and this is the preventive maintenance. So this is got affected in this form, in this maintenance form. This is the same, this is the task code as 3, and it is a preventive type of maintenance. So you can capture those details, and it is all those are integrated with one another. So here you can maintain the date and time and the status of different, and the schedule, like frequency of this maintenance plans. So it will be affected over here. So this is basically a brief overview of equipment maintenance module. So you can have a look on this model more by having a personal demo, by going into much detail.